guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you my Pancit Canton recipe. For my Pancit Canton recipe, you will need 1 package of Pancit Canton noodles. You can find that at your local favorite Asian grocery store. A half a pound of pork tenderloin cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 cup of chopped cabbage, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 cups of broth. I'm using homemade chicken broth, but you can use beef or pork. You can use any broth that you like. Need 1/4 pound of shrimp that has been shelled and deveined, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a cup of julienne carrots, 1 cup of chopped green beans, 1 cup of sliced onions, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, a half a pound of chicken breast that has been cut into bite-sized pieces. You will also need salt and pepper to taste and oil for frying. Start off by bringing a large skillet to a medium-high heat and putting about 2 tablespoons of oil in the skillet. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to get my chicken and my pork and my wok so I can start cooking them. Now I'm going to give this a stir, start browning the meat. At this point, I'm going to put some pepper. And salt onto my pork and chicken. And I'm going to cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now that our chicken and pork has browned up a little bit, we are going to add our garlic in. We're going to mix that well. Now that the garlic has been cooking for about 30 seconds, we are going to add all of our vegetables. We're going to add our onions, our green beans, our carrots, and our cabbage into our skillet. We're going to mix this up well. At this point, we are going to add our soy sauce, our fish sauce, our brown sugar, our oyster sauce, and our chicken broth into our skillet. We're going to mix this well. Make sure all the seasonings go through the sauce. Now we're going to bring this back up to a boil. Now that our liquid is boiling, we are going to put our noodles in our skillet. And we are going to submerge them in the liquid so the noodles can start to soften. Now you can see that the noodles have softened. It has taken about 5 minutes. We are going to add our shrimp into our pancit. And we are going to stir this until our shrimp get cooked. You can see that our shrimp is nice and opaque. My Pancit Canton is ready to plate. The only thing Pancit Canton needs to make it a mouth-watering dish is a splash of lemon juice. If you ever have a craving for pancit canton, you should give this recipe a try because it's easy, fast, and you will love it, I guarantee it. Don't forget, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you want to see me cook next. Thank you.